What's up guys, and welcome back to Must Download Cydia Tweak. In today's video I'm gonna show you an awesome Cydia tweak that you should download. This tweak brings a feature very similar to Dynamic Island to notch non-notched devices running iOS 14 up to iOS 16. As you see, this tweak is really amazing with beautiful animations similar to the Dynamic Island animation. As you see, this tweak allows you to access many wonderful and useful widgets. There are 37 individual interactive widgets like currencies, password generator, quick access to the calculator, paste bin, weather, control center, and many more. This tweak is really amazing, and with it you can control and view as many widgets as you like. Now I'm going to show you how to download and install the tweak. First, make sure that you have installed Filza tweak from Cydia or from Zebra Store. Now go to this website, you will find the link below this video. As you see, this is the tweak. It's called Island Tweak. From here you can read the description of the tweak, and from here you will find the tweak features and widgets. Now all you have to do, guys, is just buy the tweak. Just click on buy this. Now here you can use PayPal or credit card to buy the tweak. Also you can contact the developer on Twitter to buy the tweak, and this is his official account. Just send him a message to buy the tweak. After you buy the tweak, you will get the zip file. Make sure to use Filza to install the tweak. As you see, this is the tweak. Now just go ahead and hit install. I already installed it, so I will not install it again. After installing the tweak, go to the settings to enable the tweak. Scroll down and open the tweak preferences. As you see, this is the tweak. The first thing you will do here is enable the tweak from here. Okay, here click on tutorial to understand and learn how to use the tweak. It's really simple to use it. Now here in Configure Island, you can choose how to enable the tweak. You can select one single tab on status bar, double tab, triple tab, long press, swipe left or right. I prefer long press, so I chose that. Here below you can change the appearance, the menu colors, offsets, dismissal, and more. After making any changes, guys, don't forget to click apply to save the changes. In Manage Widget option here, you can customize and add the widget you want. The widgets you select will appear here in this menu. Okay, I'm gonna add some widgets. Okay, I will add Xcode widget, devices battery widget, iCloud and battery widget, network and RAM usage, device storage widget, world clock, and more. You can, of course, guys, arrange the widgets as you like and remove any widget you want. Here in Configure Widgets, you can change the colors of the widgets you want. You can customize any widget you have. After making any changes, click Apply to save the changes. As you see, now I have more widgets in this menu, which is very similar to the Dynamic Island feature. Now you can quickly access device storage, RAM usage, also network usage, the battery info, your iCloud data, devices batteries, and more. Island Tweak is not the exact same as Dynamic Island, but it behaves extremely similarly with interactive widgets that you can access whenever you like. Each widget has its own individual purpose. This tweak is really amazing and will bring 37 interactive widgets to your device. I really like the animation of this tweak. It's worth a try. You will find the link below this video. Alright guys, if you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for more videos, and peace.